Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how you're gonna prevent if there is sunlight coming from this area and your sensor is not able to work because of the sunlight. First of all, you can get a cord that you're not using and then make sure you're measuring it. And then I'm just gonna cut from here and here. Then I'm just gonna bend it, and you need to bend that also, and bend it one more time and pull inside. If the sunlight directly comes from here, basically this is good. That's it. Again, right there. Let me show it. It's a basic idea. Then we're gonna put it inside. That's it. If it's too big, you can just cut it in half. Cut it in half and you solve the problem. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.